No More Newbie here. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a flicker effect on Sharefactory, and please be aware there are flashing lights throughout the video. Okay, if you're a PS4 player and want to learn how to make awesome gaming videos using Sharefactory, plus learn how to do more on YouTube and other PS4 related stuff, then this is a channel for you. So please do subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future videos like this. Okay, no need for a USB, we're doing this all on Sharefactory, so go to New Project, choose your theme, get rid of all the ticks apart from one and push square and then continue. And then we want to go to cross and add screenshots, and then we go to solid color and then we push the square button, and we want to then push square and go to trim clip because we want to shorten this down as short as it will go, and push cross, and then we go to square again and go to settings. What we want to do is change the settings so that the color is black, and then once we've done that we push cross to confirm. We can delete this starter clip, just get rid of that, we don't need it. And then we've got this clip here. What we want to do is get 8 of these clips exactly the same as what we've just done. So we go into it and we go to clone clip, and we just keep cloning the clip until we've got 8 of them, so because then they're all going to be exactly the same. Okay, once we've done that, we then need to get exactly the same, but this time we want them to be white. So we add screenshots, go to solid color, and then we shorten it down exactly as we did, and go to settings, change the color to white. Okay, do exactly the same thing as we did. We want to clone those clips and get 8 of those as well. So we've done that, we just go down and clone clip until we've got 8. Once we've got 8 of them, we then need to make them so that they alternate exactly. So we go black, white, black, white, black, white. Okay, and the way we do that is push the square button, press move, and then we just use the L1 button to move the clip all the way to where we want it. So we want it to go alternating black, white, black, white. Okay, once we've done that, then actually we're going to start on black and end on black. So I'm just going to delete this white one here, we don't need that. And then once we've done that, we want to save the clip. Okay, once we've done that, so we just press the options and we go to save to gallery and then share later. Then we can come out of that, we don't need to save it. And then we go to new project, and then we choose the theme again, get rid of all the ticks, and we want to go into most recent and then find what we've just saved and push the cross button and square. Okay, we don't need to rename it, and then that's everything all bundled together for us. Okay, once we've done that, we can push the square button and go to time bender. We want to do it at times 8 speed so that it all merges together really quickly and plays as you see it there. Once you've done that, then you want to clone the clip and do it so that we've got 3 of the same clips in a row. So we clone it again, and we've got 3 of the same clips, and they just keep doing that. And this just gives us a bit of wiggle room, so we've got plenty of flickering to play with. Okay, so options and save to gallery and exit that project, go to new project, and then what we want to do is find, again, get rid of all the ticks here. We want to find a clip that we want to add the flicker effect to. So I'm going to choose this one here. I'm not going to rename it. Okay, this is the project that we want to add it to. It's just a final kill in a game that I had. Okay, and so it's just where we come down and we finish off this guy here. Okay, so what we want to do is move towards the beginning of the clip, push the cross button, and we want to go to add track 2, and then on add track 2 we push the cross and add clip, and then we choose our flickering effect that we've had earlier, and then we move across it and we push the square button, and then we can go to pip layout and we want to change it to full screen. Then we can push this triangle and square and then choose white screen. Okay, and once we've done that, we can come out of it and we'll see what that looks like. But before actually we come out of it, it's not actually lined up, so we need to move to the end of the add track 2 that we've just added, and then push the square button so that we can move it. And what we want to do is move it to just before the kill happens. Okay, so you push square and move clip, and then we're moving it across with the controller until just before the kill happens, and this is the end of the flickering effect to finish just before the kill happens. And then once we've done that, push across to confirm. You can come out of it and then we'll just play it and see what that looks like. Okay, so that's absolutely fine, other than I think it might be too long. So what we want to do is adjust the length of this flickering effect. I think you can have it how you want to, but if you want to change it, then you just go to edit track 2 and then push the the square button and split clip. We could do split clip, but we're going to trim the clip actually. So moving the left stick until we get to a shorter clip that we want, and then confirm, and then annoyingly it moves it again, so we then need to line it up with the right place again. So go into move clip again, move it to just before the kill happens, push cross to apply, and then once we've done that we can see what it looks like, and hopefully it will be how we want it. So let's play that again, see what that looks like. Okay, so that's the flickering effect, and boom. Okay, so that's how that one looks. So I hope that's been of use. You'll just save the project as you normally would do, and that will keep it all together. It's useful to just do a single clip like that. And if you found this useful, please do like the video and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on notifications, and do check out the playlist. We've got lots of videos in the playlist for Sharefactory, and thanks for watching.